Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
I want to show you what else is attached to this pool. Don't go away. Welcome into the open floor plan part of the living space. You've got this beautifully expansive kitchen, very coastal feel, which is perfect whether you want to live here full time or it's your vacation rental. Nice and modern with the blue touches and gold. And I love, because there's enough cabinetry, I love that there's some open shelving for decor and things like that. And let's just talk about how modern this fridge is, and yet it fits perfectly with the coastal feel. And then you get into all of this open space. The backsplash pays off of the architectural features in the wall, this beautiful tray ceiling with the accent color. You've got ample room for everybody to enjoy dining as well as your open living area. You've got all that seating at the bar. This is perfect for a rental. So as I mentioned in the main living space, those architectural details, you will see them in almost every room and in some of the hallways. It is a modern touch that's super simple and yet classy. This is the main ensuite. You've got this beautiful feature wall, a nice transom window to go above the bed, and you can just feel all this Florida sunshine flooding in. But wait, it's also an ensuite. Let's check it out. And continuing that coastal feel, you've got this beautiful tile in your main ensuite shower. This replicates what's going on in the backsplash, and I love cohesiveness like that. These countertops are all contiguous throughout, and there's plenty of space leading right into closet as well. Now, I've got an extra special thing to show you in this 4-bed home. Let's go take a peek. All right, so this is one of the 4 bedrooms in the home, and I wanted to highlight it specifically because, as you can tell, the bunk beds are already built in. You have room for 4, maybe an extra little couch. You've got this wall that's already set up for your TV, and again, those architectural features, even in the kids' room. It's just right. So for more information, look in the description below. I do have the listing link there for you. You can look at all of the finer details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any other deals like this beauty.